This started about a year ago. We were looking to install lights and change from fluorescent to LED.
The challenge was to retrofit an old T12 fixture out to a new T8 LED economy-based lamp. We worked through the solutions, making sure that we had the correct amount of lumens delivered, that we were meeting the light levels for occupancy in the building. This is a ballast bypass lamp, so one less component to fail, one less cost added down the road.
On all of our 2 light fixtures is to go down to 1 lamp. That gives us the same light output. So from an energy consumption, it was huge savings. And it's a better light for these students to sit there and read throughout the day or whatever they're doing in the classroom.
Our next challenge was our electric bill. And so we wanted to try to get things under control. And one of the solutions that he presented to us was a meter.
The reason behind the meter was, how do we see that we're saving energy? Now we have real data, real time to understand what we're doing in the building. Now coming back to thermostats and the smart controls, we're going to turn around and say, if I hit a threshold of, let's say, 150 kW on the building, start shutting down some AC units because we do not want to exceed 150 kW or whatever the number may be. So we want to control the building as best we can. It saves money across the board.
One of the biggest concerns that our parents had was, how are we going to address the COVID issue? When we went to FSG, they presented the UV light. Our parents jumped on that, and we know it's going to be beneficial. If you want a relationship that's going to help you solve problems, whether it has to do with lighting or electric or thermostats or UV, FSG is a company that can solve those issues for you, and very solution oriented. So it's not only relationship driven, but they're also solution oriented for the specific issues that you're facing with your company.
Well, it definitely comes back to what Mr. David said. It's a relationship. When I call Mr. Q at 5:30, 6 o'clock at night, he answers his phone and we talk through UV card or lights or whatever it may be. It's a relationship piece. Do we talk about other issues too? Of course, and it's fun, and it's a relationship. So if you want a business that's relationship driven and that you can call on them all the time, FSG.